Hello, my friends from Russia. I am so happy to be able to be here with you again. My name is Omar Чихаеба. I'm Vice Chairman from the World Engine Remanufacturers Association, and I belong to CONAREM. CONAREM is the Brazilian Engine Rebuilders Association. And in my name and on behalf of Mr. Jose Laguna, our president, I would like to give you our warmest welcome. And I'm happy to be there again. I was there 2 years ago personally. With all these problems with COVID, we are now forced to be communicating by video. But it would be my pleasure to give my testimony of all the good job and work, hard work that is being developed in Russia. In our association, we also believe very much in training, and we do training a lot, not only in the industrial part of the business, but also in the bookkeeping, in the way of conducting business, in the part of marketing. And we are putting up courses every time in cooperation with two big organizations in Brazil, which is SEBRAE and SENAI. And that means we have been developing also good techniques. We are sharing this through work, and every time that we have the chance and we have a meeting, we put all these subjects into discussion. One of the things that I would strongly recommend is that you also start doing some type of marketing gadget with social media. We have engaged with a company that is doing social media for us in the name of CONAREM, and everybody that belongs to CONAREM participates. The amount that each one has to pay is very, very small. It's like 1/10 or less than that you would pay if you would be hiring a company for yourself. And this is very good, a very good thing that I would like to suggest for our Russian friends. In any case, I know I have only a few minutes. My most important thing is to say, thank you for being gathered together. Thank you for being participating of this huge event. Dimitri and Marina and all our friends from Russia, I wish you the best in this event and a lot of success for all of you. In the name of Brazil and in the name of WERC. Thank you very much, and enjoy your meeting.